Are you tired of watching your favorite movies or games on a small screen? Imagine turning any wall of your home into a private cinema. Well, today, we're unboxing and reviewing one of the most popular mini projectors on Amazon, the TMY 1080p Full HD Portable Projector. Let's see if this tiny projector can really replace your home theater setup and deliver the performance it promises. Unboxing. So, right out of the box, TMY provides everything you need. You'll find the projector itself, a remote control, HDMI cable, AV cable, power cord, and here's the best part, a foldable 100-inch projector screen included for free. That's a huge advantage because most mini projectors don't include one. The screen is anti-wrinkle and easy to install, making setup super convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. Design and build. The build quality feels solid and compact, designed for portability. Despite its small size, it comes loaded with ports, including HDMI, USB, AV, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Plus, it has a built-in speaker, so you don't even need external audio to enjoy your movies or presentations. Performance and picture quality. Now let's talk about performance. The TMY projector supports full HD 1080p resolution, powered by an upgraded LED light source. The image brightness and clarity are impressive for this price range. You can easily project a screen size from 32 inches up to 220 inches. With a 5,000:1 contrast ratio, colors look rich, vibrant, and sharp, perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or even presentations. Bluetooth and connectivity features. Another standout feature is its two-way Bluetooth 5.1 technology. You can connect wireless speakers or headphones directly to the projector for a cinematic audio experience. The connection is stable, quick, and offers excellent sync with video playback, a feature most mini projectors in this range lack. User experience and setup tips. Setting up this projector is super easy. You can connect it to your laptop, TV stick, gaming NG console, or smartphone. If you're using an iPhone or Android phone, just make sure to use the right HDMI adapter, and you're good to go. For streaming apps like Amazon Prime Video or Netflix, TMY recommends using a Fire TV stick or Roku to avoid playback issues caused by HDCP restrictions. Real-world usage review. In real-world testing, this projector performed exceptionally well for the price. The picture was bright and detailed even in moderately lit rooms, and in dark settings, it looks absolutely stunning. Whether it's movie nights, gaming, or family gatherings, this projector adds that theater-like experience anywhere you go. Final verdict and recommendation. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for a budget-friendly projector that delivers full HD visuals, Bluetooth audio, and even comes with a projection screen, the TMY 1080p Portable Mini Projector is a solid choice. It's compact, powerful, and one of the highest-rated projectors on Amazon for a reason. You can check out the latest price and availability using my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Grab yours before the limited deal ends. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real tech reviews and unboxings. See you in the next video, where we test more gadgets that actually make your life better.